best work from home jobs in 2025. Want to make money from the comfort of your home? In 2025, remote jobs are booming, offering flexibility, freedom, and great pay. Whether you're a student, stay-at-home parent, or just looking to escape the 9-to-5 grind, these work from home jobs might be perfect for you. Number 1, AI content creator. AI is revolutionizing content creation. From writing blogs with AI assistants to creating YouTube videos using AI tools, this job is hot in 2025. Platforms like ChatGPT, Jasper, and Canva make it easier than ever to generate high-quality content. Writers and designers who can master these tools are in high demand. Earnings: $25 to $100 per hour. Skills needed: AI tool expertise, creativity, content writing. Number 2, virtual assistant. Small business owners and entrepreneurs need help managing tasks, and that's where virtual assistants shine. You can offer services like email management, customer support, and social media handling, all from your couch. Earnings: $15 to $50 per hour. Skills needed: organization, communication, multitasking. Number 3, online tutoring. Got expertise in a subject? Platforms like 𝐁𝐞𝐬𝐭 and 𝐿 allow you to teach students worldwide. Whether it's English, math, or coding, tutoring online is a fantastic way to earn while helping others. Earnings: $20 to $80 per hour. Skills needed: teaching skills, subject knowledge, patience. Number 4, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a goldmine. You promote products on social media, YouTube, or a blog, and earn commissions on every sale. Amazon, ClickBank, and ShareASale are some great platforms to start with. Earnings: $500 to $10,000 plus per month. Skills needed: marketing, SEO, social media strategy. Number 5, remote customer support. Many companies now hire remote customer service representatives to handle queries and support. If you have good communication skills and a stable internet connection, this job is for you. Earnings: $15 to $30 per hour. Skills needed: communication, problem solving, patience. Number 6, freelance graphic designer. Graphic design is still one of the most profitable skills. Businesses need logos, social media posts, and website graphics. You can find clients on Fiverr, Upwork, and 99 Designs. Earnings: $20 to $150 per hour. Skills needed: design software proficiency, creativity. Number 7, stock trading and investing. Many people are turning to stock trading and crypto investments. Platforms like Robinhood and Binance make it easier than ever to trade from home. But remember, this requires research and risk management. Earnings varies: high risk, high reward. Skills needed: market analysis, risk management. Number 8, social media manager. If you love social media, why not get paid for it? Businesses are always looking for social media managers to grow their brands. Managing Instagram, Twitter, or TikTok accounts can be fun and profitable. Earnings: $20 to $100 per hour. Skills needed: marketing, analytics, creativity. Number 9, dropshipping and e-commerce. With platforms like Shopify and Etsy, starting an online store has never been easier. You don't even need to handle inventory. Just find trending products and market them. Earnings: $1,000 to $50,000 plus per month. Skills needed: marketing, product research, customer service. Number 10, YouTube and podcasting are powerful money-making platforms. If you have valuable content to share, whether it's educational, entertainment, or motivational, you can monetize through ads, sponsorships, and memberships. Earnings: $500 to $100,000 plus per month. Skills needed: video editing, content creation, audience engagement.